Hey Flex fans, Phil Swift here. This is how you fix a leak in your vinyl pool using Flex tape. First, locate the leak. Use a clean cloth and remove any of the oils and dirt and grime from the interior and exterior of your pool liner. Next, cut a piece of Flex tape larger than the hole that needs to be repaired. You're going to want to repair the inside of the pool first. Stick the adhesive side directly on the interior surface where the leak is. You may need to use a piece of wood or a hard surface so you can go inside and push directly on that tape. Press down firmly to remove any creases, folds, or air bubbles between the tape and the pool. You can use a credit card squeegee or a roller. Once you apply the tape and all the air bubbles and creases have been removed, make sure you do the same process on the exterior side of the pool. Remember, the secret is to use pressure and time. By applying Flex tape on both the interior and exterior where the leak has occurred, you'll create a super strong double layer of protection, and your pool should be leak-free and ready to enjoy.